Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another riveting edition of the Captain Cooks. And in a previous video, we made this wonderful tomato sauce that we are now going to turn into spaghetti sauce. Yes, which is one of my favorite things. My mother-in-law makes. She's Italian. She makes the spaghetti sauce. It's so good. I'm not trying to recreate that. I'm doing a little bit more modern of a dish. We're going to be adding ground beef into the dish, which I like meaty sauce. Who doesn't like a good meaty sauce? So that's what we're doing today on the Captain Cooks. In the description down below will be the video to make the tomato sauce. So let's get into it. Well, we got our pan nice and hot. I'm going to put in some of this grapeseed oil. Again, I'm a big fan of grapeseed oil. I love it. It's so much easier to cook with. It doesn't burn as fast as olive oil. We're going to put this beef in. Holly, come in so you get a good sizzle on the beef. Here we go. Nice hot pan. And we're going to season this with some salt, pepper. All right, I've got my beef searing. So I'm going to add in my onion. The recipe called for a medium onion, which seems like a little too much onion to me. So I'm probably just going to use about half so that the ratio is even to the burger. All right, I've drained the grease off and I'm going to add in, the recipe calls for garlic powder, but I grated up some garlic just to, well, because I think it's going to taste better. I wish you guys could smell this. This smells so good. We're going to add in our homemade tomato sauce right in there. Boy, does that look good. Add in our 6 ounces of tomato paste. We're going to add in our dry ingredients, and all of this will be, all the ratios and ingredients will be down below in the description. Add that in. Oh, wow. Man, does that look good. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And then finally, I'm going to add in 1 cup of water. Stir that up real good. All right, and now we want to bring this up to a boil, which it is. And then turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Well, all right, we have, this has been slowly reducing for about 45 minutes now, a little bit longer. I just added the basil, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it smells amazing. Let's try it out here. Hot. Oh my God. Oh, it's so good. Wow. Now, I substituted for fresh garlic, and I'm not going to lie to you guys, it does have a little bit of a garlic taste to it, but more like a burnt garlic taste, and I don't quite understand why. If you guys have any ideas why, let me know in the comments below. But it is sweet, it is tasty. Yeah, it's just great. It's so good. I thank you so much for watching. Yeah, we're having grinders for dinner tonight, so this is going to be eaten tomorrow. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time.